Hello, welcome. I want to show you the best anti-aging home remedy that will make you look younger than your age. Can you guess my age? Let's see the remedy. The first remedy is this coconut. Coconuts, you have to blend the coconut to get the coconut milk. See the coconut milk. You are going to make use of the coconut milk, and the other one, that's the other side, is coconut water. We are not going to use coconut water. The second ingredient is banana. Banana is rich in vitamins that will make you look younger than your age. If you are 35, you will look 18. So these ingredients are going to make you look very young, fade Asain scars, reduce wrinkles, and make you bright and younger. So you have to cut this banana into pieces and blend it. You have to blend it. So after you have cut the banana, put it inside a blender or a grater, anyone you have at home. Put it inside it and blend it. Banana is rich in vitamin, potassium that will make you look very young. So see the grated banana. After you have grated the banana, then you have to get egg, raw egg. What you're going to make use of is the egg white. You're not going to use the yolk. The egg white helps for skin tightening. It tightens pores, it shrinks pores, and it will make you bright and acid free. Egg white is perfect. So after I have added egg white, then you have to add 5 spoons of this coconut milk. What I'm going to use is coconut milk. Remember, not the coconut water. Coconut milk is different from coconut water. Add 5 teaspoons of coconut milk to the mixture. Coconut milk is rich in vitamin. It's reverse skin aging process, like it will make you look younger than your age. It works perfect. So these ingredients are the best in terms of clearing wrinkles and preventing aging. So you have to mix these ingredients together. Mix all of them together. After you have mixed them together, then you have to remove the one you will store in your fridge, because I'm not going to make use of everything once. You have to remove little and put it inside your fridge and use the other one on your face. That's how you're going to use it. So this one is the face cream you will be using maybe in the night or in the morning time you want. So you have to store it in a freezer and use the other one right now. That's how it will. So I have to apply it all over my face, and you will see how it will work. It works perfect to brighten skin, remove wrinkles, and it will make you look younger than your age. Just apply it all over your face. All over your face is going to help in reducing wrinkle and freckles, dark spots. It will tighten pores and give you the flawless skin you have wanted. Remember, after you have applied, you have to leave it for maybe 30 minutes. Let it dry. When it's dry, it will shrink pores. Remember, there is egg white inside it, which helps for skin tightening. The banana helps for skin glow to reduce wrinkles, and the coconut oil will help to remove wrinkles as well. All of them works perfect to reverse aging and make you look younger than your age. So you have to apply it all over your face, leave it to dry, then you have to wash it off with lukewarm water. Remember not to add any other ingredient except it, so that it will be good. Look at my skin, see how it is. So it works to reverse aging. It will make you look younger and nobody will know your age. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to my